Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. I'm so excited and so happy. So I'm going to be creating this look using the new Beauty Creations vintage collection, like always, you guys. So I'm going to be using this collection for this look. So if you want to see me create this look, just keep on watching. Hi you guys, welcome back to another voiceover tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with an eyeshadow primer as always. And I'm gonna go in with my Pilou's brush and I'm just gonna apply it with that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my Morphe E27 brush. And I really like this brush to apply my eyeshadow primer, to blend out my eyeshadow primer, just because it smooths everything out really well. Okay you guys, so for my transition shade, I'm going to be using Bare, and I'm going to be applying it with a Morphe M504 brush, and there I am being a little extra with that. So I'm going to go ahead and tap off the excess, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. I start off with a little amount of product and then I just build it up as I go. Okay you guys, so now that my transition color is blended, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my outer corner color, and I'm gonna be applying Bare with this Morphe brush, you guys. It doesn't have a number on it, so I'm so sorry about that. But one that is similar to that one, it would have to be the M456 brush. I think that's the one. Is it that one? Yes, it's the M506 brush. So then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I kind of wanted to do like a halo effect, and I'm just like applying it on the inner portion of my eye, and then I'm just blending it out to the outer corner. I hope that makes sense. And yeah, so I just make sure that it's blended out, and then I go in with my transition color again to just kind of blend out any harsh lines. So now I go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm making sure that those two shades are well blended together. We don't want any lines. We want everything to be well blended. And yeah, so for this brush, you guys, it's part of the Oasis collection as well. It doesn't have a number, but it's just a blending brush. And now I went in with French Kiss, the shade French Kiss again, and I made sure that it was a little more intense. So now I'm trying to pick a shimmer, you guys, and for that shimmer I chose Tie Down. Honestly, this was more like a glitter, because I had to and I was flipping you guys off. I'm so sorry about that. I had to build it up, and then I went ahead and I used the shade All Over You, because I felt like it was such a very light look. I wanted more of a deeper eyeshadow look. So yeah, I'm going in with a regular eyeshadow brush, and that one is the M124, and I'm just reapplying that Tie Down glitter. I'm gonna say it's a glitter. Well, it's not a glitter, but it felt more like glitter to me. So I can't really say glitter, because you know, glitter, you have to kind of just apply with a glue glitter. But I don't know, I had to build it up, so, but it was still very, very nice. I still really liked the outcome. So yeah, you guys, so now I'm making sure that there's no lines in between tied down and my outer corner color. So now I'm going in back with that blending brush and I'm making sure everything is well blended. Like I said, I think maybe that's why I take a while, because I like to make sure that it's well blended. I don't like to have any lines. So now I'm gonna clean it up with my Garnier makeup remover and a cotton swab, and I just like to clean the edges so I can get that sharp end. And now I'm going in with my One Size Secure the Blur primer. I have been loving this primer so far. And now I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Foundation. And I like to just apply it on my face with my fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of that setting spray that came in the collection, just so I can work with my foundation a little better. And now I am blending it out with my e.l.f. sponge. I really, really love this foundation, you guys. It gives me a full coverage instantly, so I don't really go back and forth with it. It's like the first amount that I grab that grabs on really well. And by grab, I mean like it covers really well. And I have to get the neck, so that's why I had to use more of it. But other than that, like, I don't really like, obviously I go over my face again because I'm like a cake whore. I like to cake it up, but I don't feel like I have to. So now, you guys, I'm gonna contour with my Morphe. This is supposed to be their foundation, the new foundation brush, but I am using it for contouring because I like it better for that. So it's the E63 brush. It's completely new. I don't know if it came out, I don't know if they have it at Morphe already. I don't think so. I think they have it at Ulta. I got it for free there, which is super dope. So I'm using my Benefit Boy Concealer in the shade number 10. And I love this concealer because it's really full coverage. It is fast drying, you guys. Like, it dries up really, really fast. But that's why I make sure to work with it really well, really fast, I meant. And then I like to go over it with my sponge because it still has foundation on it. So I just kind of like to blend all that together. I wanted to kind of do that lip trick to make my lips look a little bigger. I don't know if it worked though. So I'm going in with my foundation, with the remaining foundation on my sponge, and just going over it. And now I'm gonna conceal and highlight. I do both at the same time using my Benefit Boy Concealer in the shade number 6. And then I like to go, I like to bring it up towards the sides of my cheek, and I like to get the edges of my nose just to kind of give me that snatched nose in a way. So then I go in with my with the remaining of my foundation, and I like to just go over everything just so I can everything can blend out, so it can blend in together. I'm sorry. And then I'm going in with my One Size translucent powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer and kind of bake for like a little bit. I don't really bake for too long. I like to let it sit for like a couple of minutes, probably like 5 minutes. And then I'm going over with a clean, this brush didn't have any product in it. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill 02 brush, and I just like to go over everything. And then I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm going in with an angle brush from Morphe, and this is a Jaclyn Hill one as well, the 04. And yeah, I'm taking off that that powder with I'm trying to look for the brush. What brush was it? I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what, man, I lose everything. I can't find the brush. Okay, if you want to know, you just comment down below and let me know, and I'll go ahead and let you know. So now I'm going over with my eyeliner, and this is just the ColourPop eyeliner. And then I'm going over my under eye, and I'm gonna apply some. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade French Kiss first with that one brush that I used for my crease. And like I said, you guys, it's just like, you can use the M506 for this. And then I just applied that shade. I'm gonna go in with All Over You, the shade All Over You. And I just want it to look more intense, so I'm applying it over the other color. So now I'm gonna use the blushes, and for the blushes, I'm using the shade Wink Wink, and I'm applying it with a Real Techniques. This is a setting brush, but I used it for that, just so I won't go overboard with my blush. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Oh wait, actually no, I'm sorry, I did apply some of that balm and setting spray that came with the collection. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I really did enjoy creating this look using the new Beauty Creations Vintage Collection. I absolutely loved everything from this collection, as far as the palette, the blushes, and the setting mist smells so good. So yeah, I totally recommend it. It's $27.99. You can't go wrong with their prices. They're absolutely amazing. And like always, you guys, if you did like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down something sweet down below. And until next time, you guys. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine's, remember, self-love is very important. So yeah, bye you guys. I'm gonna be creating a look. I'm gonna be creating a look with it.